this was old Egyptian writing, the root here, and then one of the alphabet was the Greek alphabet, and then the other one was what we call the Coptic alphabet. The Coptic alphabet is like Greek alphabet, but the language itself is a form of Egyptian language. That language is still being spoken today by the Coptic Church in Egypt. So when they discovered this Rosetta Stone, because they already knew Greek language, and then the Coptic language was being spoken, so they were able to interpret this old Egyptian language. So we now have Egyptologists who study about old Egypt, who discover things about old Egypt and the old writings. So they are able to say stories about the kings of Egypt, about the stories about the people of Egypt, about their farming, about the people. In fact, so these people of no culture, they came from somewhere around, because if you look at some of the sculptures of the North Terracotta, you see you don't know much about North. You have this kind of head. For example, if you go to Kwanya, you see something like this. You have seen something like this before. This country. Yeah. So these are the kind of figurines that were discovered in 1944 by Bernard Farr. So the origin of these people, everybody wants to say they came from Egypt because Egypt is a great country, but it is not really a wrong thing to say, because Egypt is the link between Africa and Asia. So most people that came to Africa, they came through this way of Egypt. So it's very possible enough people came from around this place, and then they came with the craft of melting iron from